Alright, this box here is dented, so there may be damage to the TV on the inside. So now I'm going to start opening up the box. The instructions say remove strap with scissors, that's what I'm doing. Then remove the 4 clips from the box, which are on the sides of the box. Then remove the top portion of the box, which I'm going to do after that. And have then two people will lift the TV out of the box afterwards. So. Okay. Let me see. Oh, this came off easily. Okay. That's 2. Okay. That's all of them. Let me just move this so nobody trips on it. Alright, so now remove the top portion of the box. It should just slide off. Yep, it's coming up. Supposed to have 2 people do it, but I think I could try just one person.
Maybe.
Thank you. We gotta make sure the TV doesn't fall.
Yeah.
I'm letting it down.
Okay, me too.
Because the TV seems, well, it was this, I felt that was falling.
Wow.
Okay. Alright. Let me just move this out of the way. Oh, okay, the box is right behind you, so be careful if you walk backwards.
And this is how it's supposed to look here? See how it's like recording and then the number?
Yeah.
Okay.
I never looked at it, I just pressed and go. Alright, so now this is where I'm going to just check for damage. The screen looks good. I don't think there's any damage. Can't see any damage.
And see how it was pressed in there, but it looks okay.
Yeah, it was pressed in all the way in here.
Huh.
In here, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, that's a pretty hard hit, but it looked like it survived its form. Alright, and then this is where we're gonna stop the video.
Okay.
Because I just wanted to make sure that nothing was wrong with it.